Hi, welcome to Tech and Tool Engineers. In the last video, you have seen the unboxing of this tool. Today, I bring a new video. In this video, you can watch a carry case for this tool. The carry case is also available with the Milwaukee at a certain price. For cost saving, I didn't buy tool with case and battery, and I order separately locally from India. You can see the uni case, hard carry case. It's a waterproof case, and we are going to unbox it. See, let's find what is inside. So it's a very good looking case, and you can adjust the pressure. It's a airtight case basically, and you can adjust the pressure of the airtight inside. Let's open this. Very good foam inside the case. There are two layers of the case. One is the bottom layer and another is a layer you can hold the tool inside. Let's apart it from the battery. Now you can hold the tool inside. Pretty blade. And you can place the battery here. So I think this is the complete package for Milwaukee tool at a very cheaper price. It cost me around 1,300. So let's cut out this foam. First, you can mark the foam, put the tool on the foam, and you can mark with the help of just like this. Now I have completed the marking. My oscillating tool, axis battery, and sand disk, and one empty box. You can see the marking here. I will cut from the knife, and it is a case for holding the batteries inside. Purchased separately. I think it is best suits for storage my oscillating blade. In that case, I will cut here the vertical stack, and the sanding disc also vertical stack. I think it's a pretty good. So let's cut the foam, and this is my favorite tool, the Alpha 30-degree blade knife. You can cut any kind of foam very easily. For example, I cut here Now you can see there are two layers. One is the bottom side and another is for side stacking. First we have to check by putting my tool in the case. Fitting is a little bit tight and you have to tear down some extra side from top of the tool. Now put again side foam in the case and let's check again. Now it seems almost perfect. I can take here extra blade, but it's a little bit higher side, so we can do some cuts on the bottom side of the foam. The blade box, I think we don't need to cut the bottom side for this extra tool holder case. The battery is very good and only we have to put bottom cut from the bottom side of the foam to compensate its height. Just pull out the everything and let's cut the bottom side of the, and also I will cut the little bit from here and I think it's okay. Just little bit from here. Pull out the foam and make a marking. Now we had made the cut in the bottom side of the foam to compensate the height of the sanding disc. Now it's look perfectly. It has a approximately 15 meter centimeter, but we had enough area in the top cover of the case. 15, I think 20 centimeters the area. Now we can check again. It's a gap of 15 mm, not 15 centimeter, and the upper side gap is almost 2 centimeter or 20 mm. It's look pretty good to fit inside. I can check again my last check. Here is the battery and here is the container for holding the blade. I think it looks perfectly fit from the all side, and only we have to put pasting from the inside because it is in the two part. I will now apply the some glue spray on the bottom side and paste this side, so it will be molded into one single piece. Here is the 3M spray adhesive. You can easily spray the glue. You can adjust the pressure, a lower side, medium side and higher side. I usually take higher side. It looks very convenient. Some shake and you can apply. You can apply very easily and it is very good for the pasting. And you can put here very slowly to make align all the corner, because if the foam paste, it is very hard to look like into a one piece. At the bottom side I have to spray again to stick on the bottom side very perfectly and accurately. And on the container you can also spray. Now put this side into the it's look great after pasting all the things. Now check final tools again in the case. So Milwaukee plate, container and sanding disc. Now you can see it is almost perfectly fit. And one last thing, as you know, it's not a Milwaukee case. I had purchased it separately from the local in India. It's a company uni case. So I cut some leaves from the outer box packing. Then I will paste some glue and paste over the boxes here to look at customize. So this is the final placement of my all tools. Here is the sanding disc, and this is the case for blades. I put all blade here in the case and put a nice sticker I have make from the outer wrapping, so I can easily find what is inside the box. So I put the sticker came along with the packing of the outer cover of the blades. Here is I can place it nicest, looking really good and very nice. I just do one more thing. You can put your name here, you can see, but I put a tiny logo of Milwaukee Tool. You can put your name here also. So this is the final oscillating multi-tool M12. It's look very different. It is not a genuine packing, but I think it is look like better than Milwaukee original packing. It's my personal opinion. Thank you for watching.